So, save for having my fees and guys. But only for you to get Nzvimbo from 1, grade 1, and maybe from 5, you also need to, you are forced to buy from my suppliers and then supply one headmaster. So it means headmasters and senior teachers are involved in this. It's a RICO of some kind. Whereby ukuforcwa kuti wewe kana uchida nzvimbo pa certain school in Seke, for example, auchawani nzvimbo kana usina kutenga mare fees iridiwa, mare choka nzvimbo iridiwa. Obvanzi mwana wako hawe panapa nemakaki ake asina kumutengesera isusu. System njaya kuti aburukire mwana uniform dzaiwa. Unofana kutenga uniform from us yekutanga mwana. Kana chizo ne 2 but yekutanga are forced to atenge. So it means that as a parent, you are not only are you facing from December upinda January disease for you, especially when it's not wrong. Imagine now you are being forced to take uniform. When you do kaki when umbare won't take kaki, but for some reason you are paying times 3 for a complete khaki uniform. Masocks are grey ways, you can just get them for $1, which is masocks $3, boots zakashata. It's cheaper, but you are forced to buy from the school. Don't do one in Nzvimbo. During corruption, it will take you, and same applies in the license. You won't do corruption, but you need to be MuZimbababwe. Like I was saying on the last episode, wakachwana kupichitambi chako kana usinga dish corruption. Selective outrage. Do you have a problem when you can have a benefit of Ashinabas? Have you ever tried exposing these people? Must that now schools are tutor, but I've seen it happening firsthand. So this is a problem that we need to address from wherever you are. If you have any school that you know is doing this, let's name and shame these people anonymously, of course, for the sake of your children. But if we don't speak out and if you don't challenge these people, to be honest, you'll be paying times 5 the money that you. Because I remember from one thing they're not okay. Both down the grade 5 notes and the guy that from one tie. I remember so I remember vividly Tawanda in tiny juice. And the jazz was big, most of one was a bit bigger. The rebate as well. But now once I went from one. Ne kagirangaracho beside. But just around 2008, you know, everything was hard. But I managed to go to school. It is always in mid towns because they are discouraged. Kuwana Nzvimbo, buy a new uniform from the headmaster. Splug. Layman's Lounge. We out.